Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Battlefield 6 crashes. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just go and open the folder where you have installed Battlefield 6. If you have EA app, just go to manage, select this option view properties, click on open folder. Right now here you can see this is Battlefield 6, so hit right click on that, go to properties and select compatibility here. Here you need to turn on three options. The first is this one, run this program in compatibility mode. The second one is this one, disable full screen optimizations, and the third one is here, run this program as an administrator. Once you do that, hit apply and click on OK. Now before you get exit from this window, we need to copy the path. For that, just click on this one and hit Ctrl+C in order to copy the path of Battlefield 6. Next, here in the search bar we're gonna type graphic settings, select this and just click on this option, add desktop app. Right here at the top we're gonna paste the path which we have copied and just hit enter. Just select Battlefield 6 and click on add. Once you do that, the game will be added here, so we have to expand this and just select the GPU preference on high performance and make sure these optimizations for windowed game should be turned on. Once you do these settings, your Battlefield 6 crashes should fix now. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.